Welcome back to another routine episode. It's Vaughan here and I'm with Brittany today. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
All right, we're ready to dance. We're going to do the quick step. A lot of fun, very popular dance, but don't be fooled. You want to focus on slowing your steps a little bit, meaning that you're not going to go off time. Your feet should always arrive at the beginning of a beat, but I want you to lengthen your steps. So contrary to what it probably looks like when you first do the quick step, especially because of the speed of the music, you want to focus on the fact that we want to create a rhythm in the dance. So the more you attack the beat, bang, 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 the worse it's going to look. So hold off a little bit and try to get more of a swing in your step, a bit of a pendulum action, nice and flowing as you go through the movements. And if you arrive at the beginning of the beat, make sure that's your foot and then your body follows over the top of the foot afterwards, and you'll create a much smoother look. And so basic quick step that we're focusing on, particularly in this lesson, is the quarter turn, the chasse, the forward lock. These figures are your elementary introduction to quick step. There's nothing simpler than those steps, but within those, there's a lot of work. So focus on exceptional footwork, not just good footwork, exceptional footwork, and focus on drawing out the beat with your feet a little bit more for good balance. Ladies, pay particular attention to when you do a backward lock, pulling the heel to a toe. If you mess that up, your balance will be off balance and you will find it very hard to dance with a partner. Okay, so off we go. Let's get into the basic quick step followed by the advanced.
Sent your kiss. I can't believe you're real, but I know how I feel. I didn't know that I had a chance. A doll becomes a boy. Santa brings a toy. If you conceive it and you believe it.
Figure names for the basic quick step. So take hold, preparation step after the wind up, and then quarter turn to the right, followed by a progressive chasse, and then a forward lock. Ladies commence with a backward lock, and then the natural spin turn along the corner or the side of the room will do. Timing for the basic quick step. Slow, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, slow.
I made a dream come true. The night air filled with you. A lovely evening was our chance to meet it. And you believe it, your life can fill with joy. All right.
Figure names for the advanced quick step. So take hold, we're a little wind up and prep step, we go. Into a quarter turn to the right. Then from step 2 of the V6, there's a lock and an outside change, and then a forward lock, backward lock for the ladies. Now, into the natural pivot turn. At the end of that, we go into the forward lock, backward lock for the ladies, and then the natural spin turn around a corner. Timing for the advanced quick step. Slow, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. So thank you for joining us for the quick step basic and advanced version. Remember one thing, when you're dancing the quick step, gentlemen and ladies, you need to produce a side lead, but do not exaggerate this position. A side lead is simply, if you imagine that your shoulders are on top of your hips, when you step forward with the left foot and say the lady goes back on the right foot, you're not to go like that and exaggerate the movement. It's simply the side that's going forward is a little bit more ahead and the one that's going backwards is held back just a little bit, and that's what side lead is. Now, that is essential to create good locking actions, of which there's plenty in the advanced routine. Also focus on the natural pivot turn. It is not a spin turn. It's unique to the quick step. Therefore, we take out the last 2 steps of the spin turn, and all you focus on is the pivot, and take the time of using slow properly to enhance your footwork, right? So ladies, you'll be going forward, heel, toe. Gentlemen, you'll be going back, toe, heel, toe. Now, as you do that, use all the 2 beats of music, and then you can accelerate out of there into the locking action. All right, so with that in mind, enjoy mastering your basic quick step. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Visit ballroommastery.com and ballroommastery.tv for lots more free training. Thank you, Brittany.
Thank you.
And thank you for following us at home, and we'll see you in the next episode.